A local bar owner was worried about the future of his business until a judge threw him a bone.
Pup's Pub is a dog bar. After getting all the necessary permits and opening for business, they found themselves in a battle with the Florida Department of Health. Jack Royer joins us live with the story, and this sounds like, fingers crossed, the drama might be over for this bar.
These owners sure hope so anyway, Keith and Jen. It's almost over at least. Alex Wright and his wife Sheila own Pup's Pub on Kennedy Boulevard in Tampa with another location in Orlando. For the last year, though, they've been battling the Department of Health amid confusing violations with little clarity from officials, they say. But tonight, they're out of the doghouse after a judge had the final say. At Pup's Pub in Tampa, the VIP customers aren't people, they're pups.
If you don't have a dog, that's okay. Come on in anyway.
Alex Wright and Sheila Suhar wanted to open a bar for dog owners. The couple got a permit from the health department and opened for business.
Very much so. I think this is something that, we're very passionate about. Yeah, it's our life, it's our everything.
Then after nearly 2 years of operating, the health department came back with violations for having dogs in the bar, despite an explicit agreement that they weren't serving food, only drinks.
To find out that they are now confused and are questioning allowing dogs inside, it didn't make sense to us.
It didn't make sense to a judge either. After a year of legal fighting, a Florida administrative law judge heard their case in late March, saying, quote, the Department of Health changed its interpretation and application of its own rule, calling the health department's claim that the way they allowed other dog bars to operate while applying a different standard to Pup's Pub was not credible. For the owners, it was an expensive headache.
We did everything we were supposed to do. We followed the playbook. I really did feel helpless and hopeless.
The health department declined to comment for this story, citing ongoing litigation. Alex and Sheila say their business took a hit on top of legal fees, with customers unsure of what was going on. They never closed at all while fighting what they called a David versus Goliath battle.
I think definitely a weight off our shoulder is really what it feels like. Definitely walking a little lighter. And just, the entire time, as hard as it was to kind of carry that weight and put on a face, I think we stayed positive through and through, and just to be on the other side of it with a positive outcome, it's just been really fantastic.
The court ruling says the health department tried to claim the bar served food because they had an ice maker on the premises, but the judge said the Department of Health permitted the bar with what's known as a no food service agreement, questioning why they changed course after they issued a permit for the bar in the first place.
So what comes next? Will they be able to kind of recoup what they've lost?
Well, they say they've lost a lot of business, and there's really not much to do about that. No way to prove that it's connected at all, but the judge did say they have 30 days to try to reach some sort of settlement and agreement related to attorney's fees and all that. If they can't do that in a month, then the judge will step in and do it herself.
All right. Thank you.